2023 was filled with bright spots for TQL. But rather than have me tell you, let's listen to what our satellite offices had to say. What does an award-winning culture mean to your office?
I'd say a winning culture for us, to our office, is always kind of hunting first place down in whatever we're going after.
We have a doesn't matter, get better mentality. So every day we're just constantly striving to do our best.
We constantly have the mindset of one team, one goal. So there truly is never an excuse why we can't get the job done.
Why do you think TQL has an award-winning culture?
I think TQL has an award-winning culture because of the people.
I really think it's all about leadership from the top up, fostering that culture and making sure we have the right people in the right places and that everybody loves their job and loves what they do.
What is a major highlight from your office in 2023?
We doubled the size of our office, raising money for local charities right around our office.
We actually had a staff member win the Ireland trip.
What are you most excited for 2024?
One of the things I'm most excited about for TQL as a whole is continuing to see us expand nationally by opening more offices.
Probably the new revenue streams that TQL has opened to support their clients. We're now offering multiple different ways to service your logistics needs.
I think that the blank canvas and the opportunity to make the year what we want it is a beautiful thing.
We're excited to impact those lives with a life-changing career at TQL.
Here's to more in 2024.
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 That's a wrap on 2023, so here's to more in 2024. Let's go!